What's up, traders? It's Eddie Z here, and today I've got something that's going to blow your mind. There's a sneaky little Windows feature that is literally stealing your RAM right now as we speak. It's probably killing your trading performance without you even knowing it. Look, when you're trading the markets, every millisecond counts. Your charts need to load instantly, your orders need to execute without lag, and your platform needs to run like a Ferrari. But Microsoft has this thing, it's called delivery optimization, and it's running in the background, and it's basically hijacking your system's resources for their own benefit. And here's what this feature actually does. It's designed to help download Windows updates faster by using a peer-to-peer network. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Your computer is literally sharing bandwidth and memory with random computers on the internet. It's acting like a file server for Microsoft's update system. And here's the kicker. It's enabled by default on every Windows machine. Now, I've been testing trading computers for years, and I can tell you this feature is absolute garbage when it comes to performance. A well-known tech researcher ran some serious tests and found that delivery optimization will consume massive amounts of RAM and just sit there hogging resources. I've personally verified this on multiple trading computers, and the results are shocking. When you're running multiple trading platforms, market data feeds, and analysis software simultaneously, you need every bit of RAM available. This background process is essentially stealing your memory that should be dedicated to your trading applications. Your charts might start lagging, order execution could slow down, and your entire trading experience suffers. The worst part? Most traders have no idea this is happening. They're wondering why their expensive trading computer isn't performing as expected. They're blaming their broker or their internet connection when the real culprit is Microsoft's resource-hungry feature silently running in the background. Now, I'm going to be straight with you. I personally disable this garbage on every single trading computer I build for myself. Not only does it hurt performance, but I just don't trust Microsoft handling data traffic through my network or connecting my machine to random peer-to-peer networks. That's a security risk I'm not willing to take with trading computers. Now, here's how to kill this performance vampire on Windows 11. Go ahead and click Start and click on Settings. Then on the left, click on Windows Update. Then scroll down to Advanced Options on the right side and look for Additional Options, and click on Delivery Optimization. If it's turned on, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and click that switch to turn off downloads from other devices. The moment you disable this feature, you will free up system memory for what actually matters, your trading platforms and your market analysis tools. Your computer will have more resources available for the applications that make you money instead of wasting them on Microsoft's update distribution scheme. This is the exact kind of optimization that separates amateur trading setups from professional trading rigs. Small tweaks like this and other videos I've made, they add up to create a significant performance advantage when you're competing in these markets. If you want to learn more optimization secrets that can supercharge your trading computer setup, grab my complete guide to trading computers using the link that's in the description. And yo, we're currently running a killer sale on one of our custom trading computers. Go ahead and check out the details below. If you're ready to upgrade your trading rig right now, we've got something on sale for you. That link is in the description. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and you definitely want to watch this video next. And as I always say, may the trend be with you.